Imagine a gathering that doesn't just celebrate sports, but weaves together history, pride, and a shared cultural legacy in one electrifying afternoon. That's exactly what unfolded at Boston City Hall Plaza during the HBCU Classic pep rally, where the air buzzed with energy and the echoes of cheers drew in passersby like a magnet. This wasn't just another event. It was a bold statement about the enduring power of historically black colleges and universities, HBCUs. This is historic, pioneering, and life-changing, declared Dr. Valerie Kinloch, president of Johnson C. Smith University, JCSU, her words resonating with the crowd of students, alumni, and curious onlookers. For 90 minutes, the plaza transformed into a living tapestry of school spirit, with cheer squads from JCSU and Spelman College, unleashing roars so loud they seemed to shake the cobblestones. The spectacle wasn't just about competition, it was about honoring a legacy that stretches back decades. Rooted in institutions founded to uplift Black Americans during times of systemic exclusion. Courtney Cole, a WBZ reporter and guest speaker, captured the essence of the day. We're not just here for the game. We're here to honor the traditions, the excellence, and the unbreakable bonds forged in HBCUs. These schools, like JCSU in North Carolina and Spelman in Atlanta, are part of a network of 107 HBCUs across the U.S., most established. While school pride matters, showing up for the entire Black community is even more vital, she said. Her words echoed a sentiment shared by many. HBCUs aren't just colleges, they're families. Walk into any HBCU and you're immediately embraced as kin, Crary added, a truth reinforced by Aaron Hammond, a Morehouse student. Being surrounded by people who look like me and think like me gives me a clearer lens on the world, he said. It's like they take you under their wings from day one. This rally was part of Boston's inaugural For the Culture Week, a citywide tribute to Black excellence spearheaded by Mayor Michelle Wu. Beyond the pomp and circumstance, Wu announced a tangible initiative, expanding paid internships for HBCU students and alumni in Boston. We want to ensure our local talent can return home during the summer, contribute, and see their impact firsthand, she said. The move sparks an important question. Can cities like Boston, historically less connected to HBCUs, truly bridge the gap by creating opportunities for these communities? State Representative Brandy Fluker Oakley of the 12th Suffolk District framed the event as a cultural milestone. Hosting this kickoff in Boston is a declaration that Black culture isn't on the margins. It's the heartbeat of our society, she said. Black joy isn't something to be quieted. It's meant to be celebrated. Even Harold Ellis, Morehouse's athletic director, chimed in with a touch of pride. Playing at Harvard Stadium, that's the kind of stage we were born for. As the rally drew to a close, one thing was clear. HBCUs aren't just about the past. They're about shaping the future. But here's the part most people miss. What happens when these institutions face modern challenges, and can unity truly bridge all divides? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe HBCUs remain as vital today as they've ever been? Or is the time for these traditions evolving? Let the conversation begin.